Hi, Dr. Hest here. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on what it is for you right now. Welcome to week 4, lesson 4. We're covering 2 chapters again this week in an effort to survey our book and its completion. The first chapter is all about obsessive compulsive disorder and the impulse control disorders. Obsessive compulsive disorder, or OCD as we've come to know it, is a fascinating disorder with the symptoms that are very troubling to the people who are suffering from them. We'll learn about that and possibly some of the ways that it has come to be and how these particular sufferers might be helped by treatments. The impulse control disorders are, again, a series of fascinating disorders, including pyromania, trichotillomania, and a lot of things that you might be interested in reading. So be curious about this chapter. There's lots in it. Chapter 6 is our second chapter, in which we'll be discovering the dissociative identity disorders, or the dissociative orders. Dissociative identity disorder, or DID as it is associated with, is an interesting disorder to discuss. It has a lot of controversy around it. It is what we now call the multiple personality disorder, or what we used to call the multiple personality disorder. There's some interesting videos in the book and that you might want to take a look at regarding this disorder. The dissociative disorders are interesting. They include things like amnesia, kind of dissociative fugues, where people will pick up and leave and not have any memory of families they have in other cities. There's lots of really interesting things, and what's going on here is really something that we would like to know more about. And of course, both chapters talk about the treatments that psychologists, therapists, and counselors use to help the people that are suffering from these disorders. I hope you enjoy this week, and I will see you in the discussion boards.